Okay, today we'll start the graph of the linear equations in two variables. So before we come to the graph, let me just solve two questions that I left last time. It's regarding the solution. I have written the question here: find the value of k if x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation twice x plus thrice y equal to k. So what we know is, since x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation, when we put the values of this x and y in the equation, left hand side and right hand side will be definitely equal. So I'll start just a solution here, putting x equal to 2, y equal to 1 in the equation. What is the equation here? Twice x plus thrice y equal to k. We get what we get. Let us see. 2, it's here already. X means 2 again, plus 3. Y means 1, so here 1, then equal to k. Then here implies 2 2 are 4, 3 1 is 3, then here k, then 4 plus 3 is 7, so k is 7. So therefore the value of k is equal to 7. So we'll see one more question now, and this also like similar pattern, only same model like question number 4. Here these twice k minus 3 by k plus 2 is a solution of this equation, and here also we have to find the value of k. So solution: putting x equal to how much? The first one is the value of x, twice k minus 3. Second value is y value, so k plus 2 is a solution of the equation twice x plus thrice y plus 15 equal to 0. We get here 2, I'm writing here. X means twice k minus 3, so twice k minus 3, there is plus, so here plus, then 3. Y value is k plus 2, then here next 15, then equals 0. So what we do is we have to multiply this twice k then 3 by 2, one after another. 2 2 are 4, 4k, plus into minus, minus 2 into 3, 6. Similarly here also we'll multiply thrice k, then again 6, then plus 15, we get here 0. Then here 4k plus thrice k, will get here 7k, minus 6 plus 6 we can cancel it, then we get here plus 15. Then 7k is positive 15, goes other side it becomes negative 15. Then here k means minus 15 divided by 7, so therefore the value of k is minus 15 divided by 7. After this we'll start the graph of the linear equation in two variables. Okay, now we'll start the graph of the linear equation. So before I come to the topic, to the graph, let me just give you one linear equation first. X plus y equal to 2, and I will find the solution of this equation, so minus x. So we can take different values of x. When x is 0, y will be 2 minus 0, so we get here 2. Sorry. When x is 1, y will be 2 minus 1, we get here 1. when x is, you can take different values, you can take negative values, positive integers, you can take a lot. So I'll just take here 2, y will be 2 minus 2, then here 0. So our solutions are x0 y2, that means 0 by 2, then 1 by 1, then 2 by 0. You can find numerous numbers of solutions, but I have just found out 3 here, and these represent a point on the Cartesian plane. So we'll just make the table here. The table is just to show the different values of x and y and their their corresponding values. X, y, x0, y2, x1, y1, x2, y0. So on your graph paper, let me just draw here roughly as of now. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. X this, y this, and this origin and scale we'll write here. So example, you have plot these points here, 0 2, 1 1, then 2 0. You have plot these 3 points here, and then after it we'll join these 3 points. So when we join the points, we are getting a straight line. So this straight line is what you call graph of the linear equation. So this line represents the graph of this equation, x plus y equal to 2. So even from the graph you can find the solutions. Whatever the points, all the points lying on this line are the solutions of this equation. Let me repeat, every point lying on this line is a solution of this equation. So on a line, how many points will be there? Countless number, there are infinite number of points are there. That means all those points are all the solution of this equation. So don't forget, whenever you draw the graph of any linear equation in two variables, you will always get a straight line. If you do not get a straight line, you have done something wrong in the calculation or even while plotting. So there is a mistake, you have to check again. If your answer is true, then you should always get a straight line. So now let me draw one graph, especially on the graph paper. So your graph paper will be like this. This is the one side, and if you turn the other one, then you will get like this. So whatever the calculation we do here, you will do the calculation here, you will do here, and this part you will be doing here. So let me just pick one question and we'll start how to solve. Let's see how to solve it. Let me just take here one equation randomly. X plus y equal to 4. So I'm keeping here y equal to 4 minus x. So we'll find out the solutions first. When x equal to 0, y will be 4 minus 0. When x is 1, y will be 4 minus 1. Then we get here 3. Oh sorry, I'm supposed to write here 4. When x is minus 1, y equal to 4 minus, what is the value of x here? Minus 1. So let me use bracket here, then minus into minus plus. So 4 plus 1, we are getting here 5. So directly on the table we'll write here like this. X, y, x0, y4, x0, y4, x1, y3, x minus 1, y5. So these order pair, these points will be plotted on the graph paper. So let me just write this one here, x0, y4, x1, y3, x minus 1, y 5. This for x and this for y. So I will turn the other side. So this 5, 6, 7. 2 minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So next we are going to plot the points. So I'll just show you here once. The first one, x0, y 4. So x0, y how much? Y 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have plotted the first one. Then what is the next one? x1, y 3. x1, y3. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the point. And what is the last one? X minus 1, y 5. X minus 1, y 5. So minus 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have got here 3 points, and then after this we are going to join them. So we get a straight line here. So we'll give the coordinates here. This is x1, y3. This is x0, y4. But for me there's no space here, so I'll just write here x minus 1, y 5. And we'll write the name of the equation here. Name of the equation means, what is the equation? X plus y equal to 4. So don't forget, whenever we draw the graph, never forget to mention the scale here. So this is the x-axis. From here to here is 1 centimeter, then again 1 centimeter, again 1 centimeter. So this 1 centimeter I have taken here just how many units? 1 unit. This is along the x-axis. But along the y-axis, even from here to here 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, then here 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So even this 1 centimeter I have taken here 1 unit. So I will write here along the x and y axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. So don't forget, whenever you draw the graph of any linear equation in 2 variables, you will always get a straight line. Second point, whatever the points, that means every point lying on this line is a solution of this equation. Thank you so much. I hope you have learned something today, and we'll see you again in the next video.